Hello and welcome to Platform as a Service. Now, Platform as a Service, or PaaS, is essentially a complete development and deployment environment that exists in the cloud. Basically, it provides resources that allow you to deliver things like simple cloud-based apps and even sophisticated cloud-enabled enterprise apps. When you leverage Platform as a Service, you purchase the resources you need from a cloud service provider. In this case, that would be Microsoft Azure, and you purchase them in a pay-as-you-go basis. You then access these resources over a secure internet connection. Platform as a Service includes the same things that infrastructure as a service provides. This means it includes servers, storage, and networking. But in addition to this infrastructure as a service that Platform as a Service includes, Platform as a Service also includes middleware, development tools, BI services, and things like database management systems and other type of stuff in that range. Platform as a Service is essentially designed to support the web application lifecycle, the building, the testing, the deployment, management, and the updating of such applications. Deploying Platform as a Service allows you to mitigate the expenses and the complexities of having to buy and manage things like software licenses, underlying hardware infrastructure, middleware, even container orchestrators like Kubernetes, and development tools. Basically, what you do is you manage the applications and services that you develop, and then the cloud service provider, again, Microsoft Azure in this context, provides everything else. It typically manages all other aspects of the environment. Now, some common Platform as a Service scenarios include things like development frameworks and analytics or business intelligence. For example, Platform as a Service provides that framework that, as a developer, you can build upon that to develop or customize cloud-based applications. It even includes features like scalability and high availability. So what that does is it reduces the amount of coding that developers need to do to create these cloud-based applications. Now, as far as analytics or business intelligence goes, tools provided as a service with Platform as a Service allow you to analyze data, mine data, find insights and patterns, all kinds of stuff like predicting outcomes to improve the forecasting, product design decisions, and investment returns that a business finds important. Now, all that said, when you sit the exam, understand that Platform as a Service is a development and deployment environment in the cloud. It includes the infrastructure as a service pieces like servers, storage, and networking, but it also includes additional pieces, which include the middleware, development tools, BI services, and things like database management systems. Platform as a Service is designed to support the complete web application lifecycle. This means it's there to support the build-out, the testing, the deployment, management, and updating of these types of applications. And when you leverage Platform as a Service, you manage the applications and services that you develop, and then the cloud service provider manages everything else.